What is up, YouTube? Today I'm going to be talking to you about the 250 miles I put on the Arctic Leopard XF and why this should be the best pit bike you buy. So I don't know how the wind noise is going to be, but it's probably horrible and you probably can't even hear me right now. So just like any other Suron company, I guess not other Suron company, but Talaria and Suron, obviously the ones out there, all of the bikes feel the same almost. And I've rode it on the track with this bike, like a motocross track, and it feels absolutely perfect. It feels good. It can take hard hits. I've crashed a few times. It feels super good. It's still running great. On full battery, it hits 51, by the way. The new Suron might be able to hit that, I don't know, but this looks exactly like a Suron, by the way. I mean, maybe not exactly, but it's really, really, really close to a Suron or a Talaria, and it's also 12 kilowatts, 72 volts. We also have a Pro R, which could also be the next Ultra B. It has Ultra B brakes, same power as the Ultra B, and in my opinion, better range, I think. I can't remember what the battery's in it, and it's got 30 kilowatts. I don't know how much is in the Ultra B, but it's super fast, but I don't ride that one much. I ride mine, but we're gonna put in mode 3 and do a top speed test real quick. I don't know if you can hear me, but it is so fast. I literally just hit 40 mile an hour and that fast, and I was starting about 20 mile an hour, which is pretty crazy. I'm gonna put it back in mode 1. The only weird thing that I find about this bike and all the other Arctic Leopards out there is the chain is on the other side of the bike. It's on your right side. And on a traditional dirt bike, usually it's on your left side. So that's a little weird. Also, my last con is it's pretty loud, like you can hear the chain a lot. Every other bike we own, look at that sunset. Look at that sunset. I might have to get some clips. I'm thinking right here, maybe? Oh yeah. Beautiful. 100% gonna be able to get some clips here. 250 miles on this bike. Absolutely perfect. Honestly, like, I'm super grateful to have a bike this summer. Right here we got 250 miles. I don't know if you can see it. It's ready for the street. Like, I mean, every bike's ready for the street, but this one really is. I mean, it's got a horn, it's got regen braking. The only problem I do have, though, is my regen stopped working on my bike. I don't know why, but I pressure washed it. I did all the things, and now it's just done. It'll stop the bike like what? Like, it slows down the bike, but you can't, like, I don't know how to explain it. It just doesn't work that good. I don't know how bad the wind audio is right now, but I'll probably figure it out somehow. And on the XF, it comes with, like, not super knobby tires, so it's still smooth on the road. It's still super smooth on the road right now. This sunset's beautiful. Honestly, it's great. You know, these things aren't legal, so here we are, right on the road. Sunset, man. Look at that. It's absolutely beautiful. I see the helicopter, it's all the way over there though. Oh my god, man. Dang! This sunset's so beautiful. So beautiful. Holy. I'm gonna get a clip right now. Once again, another clip. Oh, there's a button. There we go. Another clip. Found a place to make a clip at. Oh, frick. Bike throttled it by itself. What the frick? Oh, I can't go backwards. On a hill, bro. Ugh. And when we're pulling this bike back, it's so incredibly light. Like, I can lift it up, and I'm not gonna expose my age, but I can lift it up, and it's hard, but doable. So, like, if you want to get it for yourself, you know, and ride in it, just in case you, like, crash or something, you can definitely pick it up by yourself. Yo, definitely pick it up by yourself. It's super easy. But alrighty, here we go. Let's go back home, take it out of park. Right on the road. And you know how you're like on a traditional dirt bike, and dirt bike tires usually makes that weird sound or whatever with your tires, and it's kind of bumpy. It's not bumpy anymore. Like, it's not very bumpy. I should probably go the right side. Is a bike. It's $4,000. You do what you want. I'm just saying this bike could be the best out here. And I know there's a bunch of competition and cheaper bikes than this, but for the size and for the money that you're getting this bike for and the power, I mean, come on. It's the best bike out there. I'm not glazing it because it's mine, but I mean a little, but I really enjoy the bike. Thank you to everybody that's subscribed. Right now, I'm at 43 subscribers, or 44. I'm trying to get to 50 by the end of this week. I think we can do it, honestly. That's 72 volt Game Hill B.